Aí o tempo como é que tá agora? The climate now is this way here in my hometown, Francisco Belderão, Minas Gerais. Today is December 10, 2020, and while I'm here at my home with nobody here, there's nobody here with me. My TV signal is off, as we can see here. I will show you. The TV signal is off, as you can see. And well, there's the sofa here of my hometown, the couch. There's the other one. I can even sleep on this one or another one. And well, now it's raining. It's raining a little bit here. I love it. I love the rain. And I will show you through the kitchen's window. And that's it. It's raining, and I'm happy with the rain.